Saravana Sambrama, celebrating Saravana Bhava Subramanya. We begin our showcase today with Stutis. Stuti means to pray. Prayers are offered to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, Devi Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, Devi Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, and finally, Lord Nataraja, the god of dance. Performers learn simple hand gestures to depict words of the verses and combine with basic Adavu steps. Stutis are performed by our beginner level students Anaira, Akshara, Arohi, Shakti, Pranavi, Avyakta, Anvi, P. Anvi, S. Abhirami, Vasna, Arna, and Grivani.
मूषिकवाहन मोदक हस्त चामर कर्ण विलंबित सूत्र